got a bit of a problem in my garden. I've been forking through, yeah, good old border fork, through my border, and I found that a cat has started to use my flower bed here as a toilet. And the irritating thing is that it comes 2 to 3 places, one there, one here, and it seems to choose the spots on a regular basis. I have removed it, but I'm getting a bit fed up with this. So what I've decided to do is leave the border alone for a minute, and I've bought a cat deterrent. Now with the cat deterrent, which we've got over here, it's just a PESTFree Ultrasonic, does cats, foxes, all that sort of stuff. And in fact, it should, with a bit of luck, keep them away. So we'll find out. All you have to do is set it up. It does 88 square meters. So I think if we put it down roughly here towards where the fork is, we should be able to get it to work. So we'll put the box there. It's just like that. We just put the base in like that. That's nice and secure. Turn it on. You can just hear it there. And if we face that across the garden from here, and in theory, Bob's your uncle. Well, I'll tell you what, whether Bob's your uncle, I'm going to be looking at it on a regular basis, and I will be informing you whether it keeps the cat away. It's as simple as that.